Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I make turmeric oil. Start by peeling the turmeric. After peeling the turmeric, I'll be using a grater to grate it. You can also use a blender. Add the coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good combination for making turmeric oil. I'll be adding the grated turmeric and stir continuously. Continue stirring on a medium heat until you notice some bubbles. Then turn off the heat. Turmeric has a lot of benefits for our hair and skin. You can use it to treat some skin conditions like sunburn, tone your skin, and for the hair to promote hair growth and get rid of dandruff